Alright, I think I need a burger. Ooh. Angus cheeseburger. Sam's Club. Order up. Plain broiled Angus beef patty. American cheese. Sounds pretty good. Let's flip it over. How do we cook it? Oh boy. I don't know, I can hardly see this without my glasses. Oh boy. I got my glasses. Yeah. Okay. I'll put them on, see if that helps. Ooh. Not much better. Well, a little bit better though. Boy. Alright, it's almost starting to work now. Oh boy. Open the end of the package. Cook for a minute. That's a quick heating. It says best heating. Thaw overnight or open the end and what do I gotta do? Auto defrost for 3 minutes. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. Auto defrost. Oh, excuse me. Let me put you in there. Alright. Auto defrost you. And then how long do I have to cook it? Oh, doggone it. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Auto defrost. Here we go. I don't know what to put this. Yeah. Got my glasses. Or do I? Yeah, I got my glasses on. Auto defrost and then cook for how long? And why does it say best if it's not the... Oh, because I guess if you're in a hurry, if you can't wait 3 minutes for a burger, then you got bigger problems than I do. Oh, I can't see. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. It's starting to come in. Okay. 56 seconds. Who determines exact 56 or not a minute. Not 55 seconds. All right. Hope you're as good as I hope you are. All right. Into the microwave with you. Oh, I need a toaster oven. All right. Microwave it is. Auto defrost for... Oh, how long was that? Oh, boy. Wait a minute. 3 minutes? I'm gonna go with 3 minutes. I better check. Nah, I'm going with it. I'm going with it. 3 minutes. Those numbers jump around there. Auto defrost. What's going on? There it is. Well, what does defrost 1 mean? How long is that? Oh, boy. Well, I guess I just have to push it and see. It should be luck. Okay, that ain't it. Defrost 1. Power. Well, the power's on. How else would the light be on? Oh, time defrost. All right. Ooh, that's auto defrost. I guess I have to turn it off. Let's stop. Then time it. Defrost 2. That helps. Okay, go. Oh. This is fun. I haven't even... It's been 2 minutes already. My burger should have been done by now. Time defrost. Time clock. Power. Power's on. Told ya. Kitchen Timer. Kitchen timer? That ain't helping. That's not helping at all. Oh boy, auto defrost. Time defrost. Yeah. Boy. Wish I had an oven. Okay, here we go. Start. Nope. Start. Nope. Stop. I can stop it. I'm just gonna cook it. I just about had it. Oh, wish me luck. How long was I supposed to cook it for? Oh boy. Can't do it for 3 minutes. Do it for 2 and see what happens. 1:45 now. Oh boy, that was fun. I'll be back.